S.H.M. to and fro oscillatory motion in which acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from theme and position and is always directed towards theme and position. Series circuit, a circuit in which current remains the same across each resistor. Simple microscope, a convex lens of short focal length which is used to produce magnified images of small objects. Software, it refers to computer programs and theme manuals that support them. Solenoid, a coil-off wire consisting of many loops. Sound, a form of energy that is passed from one point to another in the form of waves. Spherical mirror, a mirror whose polished, reflecting surface is a part of a hollow sphere of glass or plastic. Thermionic emission, the process of emitting of electrons from hot cathode. Transformer, an electrical device which assists to increase or decrease the value of an alternating voltage. Transverse waves, they're mechanical waves in which particles of the medium vibrate about their mean position perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the waves. Truth tables. The truth tables are tables which give the values of the inputs and outputs of the basic types of logic gates, a combination of such gates. Ultrasonics, sound waves of frequency higher than 20,000 Hz. Wavelength, the distance between two consecutive crests or troughs. Wave, a disturbance in a medium which travels from one place to another. Word processing, such house of computer through which we can write a letter, prepare reports and books, etc.